guys, good morning. Right now I'm at Hsinchu in the gas station here. Today we are heading to Yuanyangu waterfall, and then we're just gonna camp out there right by the river, and then doing a little bit of river tracing. But first we need to gather this gas station to meet up. And the weather looks real nice. It's really a huge sunshine. Anyway, see you guys. Hi guys, so we are here and we 水天林道鸳鸯谷。我是东西我就放一放，可能一个帐篷一个睡袋，然后就满了。一个帐篷就占掉了。我在睡，对，他应该是在15分床。什么？So right now the temperature is 25 degrees. It's very cool in the shade. The structure 这是哪来的？
只有爬的。
So I set up my tent. Hi guys, so it's raining now, but it's fine because we got a raincoat or rain roof with us. I really hate raining because it makes everything very inconvenient. Wow. 对，你根本就是带了多少人几人餐来呢？
没有啊，我就准备2人啊。
2人吃那么多，
吃到爽，
根本就是来吃到饱的姐。So hey guys, it's close to the night, sunset time, and we are going to the river to get some shrimp, like fishing some shrimp. Quite funny. The view. It's just awesome. But it was raining huge. It was kind of cold. Once it gets wet, it's cold. Really don't like the rain. It instantly drop your temperature to like, maybe I'm exaggerating, but I feel it drops my temperature like 10 degrees. And it's quite funny because so I went on camping and there's 2 people I meet. I mean, I never see them before, I never know them before. And one gal, I guess she's 50 something, she happened to be a traveling guide. And she used to travel all around the world. She goes to everywhere, you know, North Pole and South Pole, Iceland, just you name it, she goes to everywhere. So I asked her that after you've been to so many places, what's the best place that you recommend for traveling? And she gave me the answer, which surprised me because she says Taiwan. Okay, she says Taiwan has the most attraction gathering around in this tiny island. Don't need to spend a day for traveling just to get to the spot where you can just spend an hour and a half and get to mountain and the sea. You know, within 1 hour or two you will have something to see. And that's exactly the same like the friends of mine who is from Ireland. She says the same thing too. She says Taiwan, that is the best place for traveling to see, because seriously another area on earth you do need to travel a long way to see something different, but in here you don't need to. And yeah, I know, I totally agree, because Taiwan has tremendous mountain and those mountain creates tremendous scenes, so it is all that beautiful. 哇，美哦，红的 ，beautiful sunset。哦，有 view 有 view。我觉得那个泥巴都会滑。It's getting dark. Then we are going to the waterfall. It appears the water is because the rain. The water gets so huge, so we cannot even do some river tracing tonight to get some shrimp or fishes. So we change our plan. Just get to see the waterfall. That's it.
我没有看到啊，哪有这么晚来？
我根本就拍不出什么鬼，因为下去抓鱼虾吗？啊、the waterfall you cannot see, it's too bright. Good afternoon. So today we are going to Youluo River and do some river tracing. Last night we were camping around here and we weren't sure that we're gonna do river tracing or not because the weather was pretty moody. Now it's a bit shiny, but it's getting cloudy. It's probably gonna rain again in the early afternoon or late afternoon. Well, hopefully it won't not. But anyway, here's my group. So we're getting ready and we're going to do some easy trace at Youluo River. 没有广播。做口碑的啊。现在也是。So that's our lead. Entrance is right here. 哦，居然在桥旁边啊！拍的什么？这个叫做小棒棒。哦，很多小朋友呢。不错呢。对啊，下去就说。 对。等一下。好小啊！怕冰凉了。对啊。会不会还要再拉低一点哦？不会了。 过去了，我们反